Welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Good day everyone. How are you all? It's been a great week, hasn't it? Thank you so much for being here. It's a pleasure to be here with you all. Here we are today having a really exciting topic. As we always do something exciting and special here in Fun Drawing with Piyali. Today's topic, drawing community helpers. And today we will draw doctors. So are you all excited? I know you can't wait and seems very excited. So let's make a start. Community helpers, are a part of our everyday lives. Community helpers are the people who live and work in our communities. They do many different things to help us every day. They provide us with products we use and they give us services. And some examples of community helpers are like doctors, nurses, chefs, bakers, soldiers, teachers, dentists, mail carriers, bus driver, fishermen, plumbers, farmers, volunteers, etc. And let us today learn some fun facts about the community helper that we are drawing today, doctors. Fact number 1. A medical doctor, also called a physician, is a person who practices medicine to treat illness and injuries. Medical doctors go to medical school to be trained, and doctors are trained to keep people healthy and to heal the sick. Fact number 2. Some medical doctors do only certain kinds of medicine. These doctors are called specialists. Some types of specialists are anesthesiologist, a doctor who gives anesthesia to patients, dentist who does diagnosis, prevention and treatment of diseases and conditions of the oral cavity. Fact number 3. Some more specialists are like ophthalmologist, a doctor who specializes in treating eyes, pediatrist, a doctor who specializes in treating feet, psychiatrist who specializes in psychiatry and treat people with mental illness, and psychiatrists can also prescribe psychiatric medicine, and lastly surgeon, a doctor who performs surgery. Fact number 4. The earliest written record that mentions the practice of medicine is Hammurabi's code from the 18th century BC in Mesopotamia. And the earliest documentation for a formal hospital with physicians that treated the ill comes from the 5th century BC in Sri Lanka. And now the last one, fact number 5. Doctor has a stethoscope always hanging around his neck, which he uses to listen to heartbeats or certain other sounds in a body. And some more facts on this doctors community helpers in this fact number 5 is National Doctors Day I have mentioned. National Doctors Day here in India falls on 1st July. On the occasion of birth anniversary of former Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. So my cute angels, we hope you really enjoyed our interesting facts and already enjoying this drawing also on our community helpers Today's doctor? Doctors save lives, my little angels, but their importance goes far beyond that. Doctors also make a difference by helping patients minimize pain, recover from a disease faster, or learn to live with a disabling injury. And now, my kids, that you know a little bit more about them, I'm sure you will now grow respect towards them much more than earlier. So till we meet next week with another exciting topic, watch for Drawing with Piyali. Drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today, and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.